Hi guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Swaggy, and one more time, happy Easter. It's so crazy right now in Jamaica. Lots of people who come to Jamaica for parties and stuff, and it's so crowded right now in Jamaica. All the beaches are occupied with beer parties, and they even had to close down one beach because uh, it did cause some crazy traffic. But personally, we don't really come out outside like that while this Easter break because it's so crowded, guys. It's so damn crowded. Like, people, they enjoy themselves, okay? Yeah, so we do, but we do it at home, okay? Yeah, family, family settings. Yeah, so we how we celebrated our Easter. We just had bun and cheese and went outside, had some fresh air, but we don't really party. Yeah, but people party everywhere. I mean, I tell you. Yeah. So next thing what I wanted today to tell you guys, I wanted to tell you that yesterday I was watching one documentary on German people in Jamaica. Yeah, because I'm of a German town here in Jamaica, in Saint Elizabeth, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, but I believe it's Saint Elizabeth. Yeah, them even have German town where be a German people, but not like first generation German people, but German people who long time came to Jamaica and they built them little society, German society. So the reporter came there to them town and interviewed people, German Jamaican people, alright. So a lot of people, almost all of them, they were saying like one regret they have is their German ancestors who brought German people to Jamaica. They did not really carry German culture with them. So, like I told you guys, they're not the first generation of German people. So, most of them, they don't know German language. Most of them, they don't know German history. They don't know how to cook German food. So, they're like straight Jamaicans, but they just look different. They straight German people, but without roots. You know what I'm saying? They are Jamaican, like any Jamaican people. But one thing, all of them say like they really regret that their ancestors didn't really care about passing their German culture right through the generations. So they kind of feel abandoned from their country, Germany, because they don't know nothing about it, but by ancestors they're Germans. Yeah, so the same thing I was saying, like I cannot give up. I came to a conclusion that I cannot give up on my kids learning Russian language, because one time I was like sitting and I was so sad because Russian language is not easy, and also it's not easy to teach Russian language. I was saying like Jano might give up on teaching my kids Russian and just let them grow in Jamaican, society and just speak Jamaican language and then English, patois, But Russian, like if they grow up, maybe they can learn if they want. But I just realized by watching this video that actually I cannot give up on teaching them my culture, my Russian culture, and I can't stop cook Russian dishes them, and I can't give up on my motherland. Like I have to pass some cultural aspects to my kids and make them pass to them kids if they decide they choose Jamaican family, but they can still carry the roots, through the generations. That what they're almost all German people did a complain, them lost them roots. So I don't want really my kids and my grandkids in the future for not know them roots, cause I'm Russian, okay? So I really want them to be friendly with my culture, and I do my best. But right now, with everything, honestly, whatever is going on, I'm not sure if I can take them to Russia on the regular like I used to do before, and that makes it more difficult, you know. But I still need to, you know, do my best as a mother, you know. So I have to teach them, because the other day I was saying the same thing, you know. My kids, because they have 3 languages in their head. It's English, Patois, and Russian, and a little bit of Vietnamese, but we already forgot Vietnamese language, so, you know, we don't use it at home, so they already lost it, so they don't remember Vietnamese. So I say it's 3 languages right now they have to deal with. And just the other day I wanted to give up Russian because my kids, they have problems with reading. They read very slow, okay? While their classmates, Jamaican classmates, they can read very fluently and they read real good, you know. And I wanted to give up on Russian. I was saying like it's too much for them. Maybe they just need to, you know, just stick to English, to Patois, and that's gonna be it. But watching this documentary, I realized that I cannot give up. So today, I just want to show you guys how I teach my kids Russian alphabet, and it is the easiest way, because I know a lot of you guys, some people like been asking me, Swaggy, we want to learn Russian too. I don't know why some people want to learn it. Like, why not? Why if I put such a heavy thing on your brain? But you know, some people say like, Swaggy, we want to learn Russian. But I'm gonna tell you straight, it's not an easiest language to learn. So if you want your brain for boss, yeah, you can do it definitely. Russian language is very difficult. If you guys are ready, if you really want to learn Russian, yeah, I can show you guys the easiest way, because all the languages they start with the alphabet, okay? So if you want to learn language, you have to start with the alphabet here. So today I'm going to show you how I teach my kids Russian alphabet, and I teach them, you know, in Russia we also have letters and sounds of the letters, but I am not really teaching them traditional way, because I believe it only will confuse them. So my method is a little bit different. Yeah, because I see the same, they struggle right now. They know English letters, but they know them as letters, not as sounds. So some, you know, sounds different from letters. So sometimes they have to take time to process in their head the sounds, so they can read, you know, because they read slow. So I figure out it confused them, because in their brain they first go for the letter and then they go for the sound, and it takes them time, so it just confused. So I didn't want that to happen with my case, Russian language. I wanted them to not be so confused, so I decided to use that method. So actually what I do, I teach them the sounds only. I don't use letters. Letters then are really not really important, honestly, and they will figure them out later. But the sounds are very important when it comes to language, you know, because you have to read. But to read, you have to know how to combine those sounds together. So I decided to cut the long story short and start with the sounds. So I'm gonna demonstrate to you guys how I do that. So if you're interested in Russian, because I'm more than sure you guys will catch it easy. Yeah, because this method is for kids, so we're big people supposed to figure out it easy. Yeah, so you can peep through our like a Russian language lesson and tell me if that method is really good, helpful. All right, so you can also leave in the comment section your thoughts. Was it helpful, or was it easy, or do you think it easy, or which method did you use when you was teaching your kids? Okay, because people different, and sometimes with the languages, like this is Russian language, I want to do it with Russian language, but I'm more than sure that you can apply to other languages this method. And just cut the long story short. All right, yeah. All right, so guys, I'm inviting you to my kids Russian language lesson, okay? You're welcome, all of you know. I welcome.
Hi.
Yeah, guys, so what you did? Oh, Leah loves art. So what you did, you color something too. Yes, Danny?
I covered this.
Good job. Just use the normal notebook, and I use the marker. So first letter of Russian alphabet is excuse my writing skills. This is the letter So like I told you guys, I do not teach kids name of the letters. I will stick only to the sounds. So also this letter is a little bit similar. It's similar. Yes, you see, it's similar to American alphabet. So my kids, because they do language speakers, they have two languages, so they get always confused when they see sometimes Russian alphabet, and they mistake Russian alphabet with English alphabet. That is the next thing I also keep in my brain. Leo, that's Russian alphabet, okay? I'm gonna learn Russian now, no English, okay? Russian. So that is the next thing that confuse my kids a lot, because they sometimes look at the letter and it's just the same like in English, so you have to remind them that's Russian alphabet. Yeah, and like I told you before, I was so confused, I wanted to stop. That was the reason I wanted to stop at one point, but then I said, like, I have to teach them no matter what, no matter how it might be rocky, sometimes it might scare me a little bit, but I have to stick to, to teaching them my language, Russian. I will take time with Leo because he's a child, so I can overwork him brain, and I'll be teaching him step by step, letters by letters, not all the alphabet. The second letter of Russian alphabet is B. Guys, Leo kind of knows already because I started at one point, and then like I told you, I was kind of confused and I stopped then, so we did not learn all the alphabet, but he knows some of it. All right, Leo, so right now, tell me what letter is it? The letter B. So together, also the next step is to teach child how to combine those two letters, okay? Those two sounds, so he can read easily. So right now, Leo, what will happen if we add this letter to this letter? Ab. Yeah, good job, Leo. Yeah, so yeah, I'll be Alright, let's go to the next letter. This is the letter V. Russian alphabet. The letter that makes a sound V. But as I told you guys, I don't teach him. The letter is... Okay, Leo, look at this letter. Tell me the sound of this letter. V. V. See guys, Leo knows something. This letter is... V.
One.
Подожди. And this letter is G. 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 This letter is letter G. Here? Okay, Leo, so start again.
G.
G. Alright.
Goat.
No, Leo, that's Russian language. This is not English, so you cannot use English words for Russian letters, okay? Yeah, that's what confuses my kids the most, to be able to separate those two languages from one another. But they will figure it out. So right now, I'll just combine those letters. So now I made some syllables, if I'm pronouncing it right. I think a syllable, them call it. From those, not all, but some of them I made from letters that I was teaching Leo, So I'll make him read the syllables, so it will help him in the future with his reading in Russian, because it's very important. Okay, Leo, it's time to read. Remember, this is Russian letters, not English. What letter is this? Not B. And together? Read. Together?
Ba.
Ba. Ba.
Ba.
Ba. And this one, read.
Ab.
And together?
Ba.
Ab. Ab. I'm gonna stick to teaching Leo Russian. I gave Leo too much freedom, but like I told you guys, this documentary about German people changed my point of view, and I know Leo will thank me in the future for it, but I know now it's hard and he's annoyed, but just remember, your mommy did the best. Alright? Okay, Leo, try again. Leo, do you like Russian language? Tell me the truth. You like it? Okay. Do you like learning? It's difficult? Difficult to you? Difficult to learn Russian? Say something. Say something about Russian language. How do you feel about it? How do you feel about learning Russian language? Class? Leo said it's cool. Well, I'm very glad that he likes and he has passion. He's open to learn Russian language. Yeah, so because this one, I have the little one. He does not show no interest in learning, especially Russian language, and I don't know where I lost it, but I feel like with Daniel it's gonna be very, very hard. And I feel like this year I did plan to honestly visit Russia and take my son there. So basically that's what gave my little son a good push when it came to Russian language, because he realized that kids didn't want to play with him because he was speaking English, so he had no choice other than learn Russian, and it really helped him. So with Daniel, him now have no motivation to learn Russian because kids play with him because he's in Jamaica. Kids speak English and patois, so there is no motivation. But even though it was a real a rough motivation for Leo, but it gave him a push. Whew, it's so hot today in Jamaica, I'm telling you. The summer, we feel summer is on the way. Whew, and almost all the summers I was out of the country, so Jamaica is very hot when it comes to summer, so and I feel it in the air already. So yeah man, after Easter like we'll have cool days, but after the summer will come and you know it will be really really hot. So if you're in Jamaica, guys, make sure you're prepared for the heat season. Try mango.
But yesterday,
I'm giving it a try.
Yesterday I was trying the mango and then I bite it and then it feels yummy.
You like the mango? Okay, Daddy gave you to try mango. Okay, then I can cut it and give you some. See, you like it. So why you never ate before?
Because I never eat it before.
Oh, because you never knew how it tastes. Okay. Try the mango. Try. See guys, Leah's trying mango first time. No? It's tasty? You gonna eat mango? You like it?
You like?
Okay. Danny, try mango?
No.
No? You don't want? But it's so tasty. It's like sweets.
My belly and my tummy.
Okay. See guys, Leah. Okay, Leah. Okay. So next time I'll share with you. Like it? Yeah guys, so and one more thing, I speak to Leo in Russian like in our regular life, but as you see on the vlog I speak to Leo in English so you guys can understand. It's not really confusing to you, but вкусно? Молодец.
All of them are in my belly.
Alright, good job. So in regular life, I use Russian language to communicate to Leo, and Daniel he understands Russian, but he doesn't know how to express himself in Russian. So I just gonna keep, but I will not give up on him, you know guys. I'm just gonna keep talk to him in Russian, and one day he will realize that he also can respond to me in Russian. He will be able. So right now I'm very motivated. I want to continue doing what I'm doing because this documentary gave me a huge hope to not give up, huge motivation to not give up, and just to keep pushing, even though guys it's not easy. It's not that easy and it takes time. It just, you know, I'm always surprised when people say, you know my child learned this language by watching cartoons only. So I'm like, wow, because it does not really work with my kids. I have to spend time with them, explaining and make them learn, you know. It just doesn't come so easy when it comes to my kids. But you know, kids different. Some kids can, some kids they cannot learn that way. Yeah, different methods work different for different kids, you know. Alright guys, so I hope you enjoyed our little video and it was helpful. Yeah. Why? It's not easy to be a parent, you know. It's not easy to be a parent, okay? Yeah, so happy Easter one more time. Enjoy yourselves, okay? Eat as much bun as you can, but watch the sugar level, cause burns them, you know. Sweet. Short feed them things. Yeah man, so take care. Goodbye. Bye.